And I noticed something hanging underneath it. See, I screwed up. Crisis averted. Microwave reinstalled.
Top down, hear the sound of the breeze carrying us away. Dust in the rear view, free as a bird. This is our time, no matter what they say. Every mile behind only brought us here. Now the road is clear. Shotgun ride on my Friday night. Sunset fire burning in our eyes. Let's leave the past in the past and deal with it another day.
Hey folks, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. Well, I'm sitting here in the RV, just chilling. We just came back from the hot springs, and we were talking to our daughter on the phone. She just brought her RV back from the dealership to have some warranty work on it. And then I just happened to look over to our microwave, if you can see it right there. And I noticed something hanging underneath it. See that up there? Apparently it's the bracket that holds the microwave in place, especially when you're trying to put the two bolts in. As you can see right here. See how loose it is? So now what I'm gonna have to do, looks like I'm gonna have to take this microwave out and see about reattaching it. Hopefully, should be no problem, but you know how that goes. All right, so stand by, and I'm gonna get the tools and start this project here. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3 screws I gotta take out and just unplug it. So let me get to doing that. I'm gonna need you're gonna have to help me hold this, because obviously the back is not, when I get ready to unscrew this all the way.
What do I need to do?
Just, can you come under here? Just kind of prop it up, just hold it. Just like that. You're okay,
so
right?
This is not, it's gonna, because this isn't holding it anymore.
I know, that's why I gotta have you hold it. Why?
I'm not gonna be able to hold this weight.
Just hang on, I got, this is only the second screw.
Because I have a bad on this. Okay. Oh, it's falling.
I know, hang on. Ready? Okay, I got it. Let it go. I need to put this on.
You can't just set it, the cord's in there. Just set it down.
Okay, easy. I don't want to ruin the top of your thing.
It's not gonna, the things are gonna go on each side. But I don't think you need it out. Why are you getting it out?
Well, I don't know how much room I need. So here it is. This came loose, is what happened. It's like the screw is real. Look at, I don't know if the screw broke or what. No? Look at the size of the screw, folks.
Well,
it's a 1/4 inch.
John, it's because it can't go through the side of the trailer.
Well, I could have gone further. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a fatter screw there, and I'm going to see about adding maybe another one to help secure it. Because this, basically, the back of the RV is just supposed to hang on this flange right here. It's like to try to help assist when you're putting this thing up. The security point are obviously the bolts So let me see if I can find some screws here, longer or thicker, and see if that'll help secure it. Like I said, that slipped, right? This is an aftermarket, well, not aftermarket, it's a Furgon. The only difference between this and the other one we had in here, this is a convection oven. So when I installed this, I thought I'll just use the bracket that's attached to the wall. I showed you that slipped. Well, after further review, I started looking at it, and it's like, I screwed up. Because if you come over here, this bracket here was screwed to the microwave, and you're supposed to take this off and use this bracket to hold the microwave. So basically, this was really, the flanges were just basically hanging in here. They weren't like in the slots right here. So yeah, luckily we have the 3 holes, the bolts that'll keep it in place, but I guess I'm lucky. We've traveled a ways with this thing, and it didn't just completely, I guess, come off, you know? I mean, I'm not going to say it, you know, everybody says it, oh, that's RV life, but end up hitting something. But, so now I'm going to go ahead and replace that one with this, which is basically the same thing, but these flanges aren't bent. So
I think we call that an RV upgrade fail.
it could be a fail. Well, what it is, folks, is not reading the directions. You know, I'll just put this. I've done microwaves in the past before, no problem. But it's like, all right, why? They should at least put in there this thing was on the back of this dumb microwave.
And who noticed it?
Yeah, the female here behind the camera did.
I'm like, wait a minute. The bracket is on the back of the microwave.
So I got to get a couple of longer screws. Like I said, I'm gonna make sure that it's completely reinforced in there and put this bad bear back up. Okay, folks. So I got the bracket up. As you can see, I just put one in the middle here. It's tight right now, and I just marked the holes from where the other bracket was. So when I put the level on here, it should be level, right? Yes, off. I mean, if you look at the bubbles, we're good, but the light's not turning green. I don't know if that's going to be a big difference. I'm going with what the manufacturer had, but you can see it just, sometimes it touches green, sometimes it doesn't, but my bubbles are in the middle. So I think I'm just going to go with that. Huh? Yes, no?
Yeah.
I got it. I need something from the peanut gallery over here. So I'm going to add screws on the end. I went with a longer screw and a slightly longer and a wider one, as you might be able to, see if I can find it here. There. See there? Okay. All right, so let me do that. Here we go. Of course, I'm doing this with the microwave plug still plugged in and all that, or attached, and it's in the way, but oh well. Okay, that's one more. Secured. Okay, now the fun part begins. Mounting this up and trying to get the thing lined up, because it's like zero tolerance to fit this thing in here. Okay, go ahead and now if you can pull it.
Hold on. Was it?
Hang on.
Is it in?
Okay, it's in.
Okay, so now I can do this and I'll
Just
get
hold
on.
it. Just hold it like that.
Yeah.
You can just push against
I
it.
got it.
You sure?
Yeah, I got it.
All right. Now, let me get these screws in. Okay. All right, folks. Crisis averted. Microwave reinstalled. This was not planned. This was the real deal here in RV land. So anyway, lesson 1, I guess. Make sure you read the directions all the way.
Yes.
Don't just go for it. But all right, so appreciate you sticking around for this one. Hopefully that's going to be it for drama for us for a while. So all right, we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.